What if your air conditioner suddenly falls because of a cheap bracket? Scary, right? In this video, we reveal the top 5 AC brackets of 2025, and number 3 could literally save your life. But before we start, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, because you don't want to miss this crucial safety breakdown. Starting at number 1. AC Safe Window AC Support. The AC Safe Window AC Support is designed to hold any window air conditioning unit weighing up to 160 pounds, ensuring that your AC stays securely in place. It helps to relieve the strain on both your window and its frame, providing peace of mind. This support is versatile enough to work with walls ranging from 4 to 11 inches thick, making it suitable for various installations. Installation is a breeze with the included stainless steel hardware, allowing you to set it up quickly and efficiently, so you can enjoy a cool environment without hassle. Number 2. Cat So Rich AC Bracket. The Cat So Rich AC Bracket offers a universal design that fits most single or double-hung windows, accommodating air conditioner units from 5,000 to 24,000 BTU and supporting up to 220 pounds. You'll appreciate the no-drill installation, which means you won't need any tools or ladders, preserving the integrity of your windows. The bracket also features a precise adjustable range from 34-inch to 42, perfect for various window sizes, and includes a bubble level for easy alignment. Made from durable epoxy-coated steel, it ensures your AC unit remains securely in place, giving you peace of mind. Number 3. Ivation Air Conditioner Support Bracket. The Ivation Air Conditioner Support Bracket is a heavy-duty steel bracket that expands from 24-inch to 38 to fit most single or double-hung windows, adapting to exterior wall thicknesses between 4 and 11. Its durable premium steel plate coated with epoxy ensures long-lasting support of window units up to 200 pounds. The bracket can be installed in minutes from inside the home without the need for tools, drilling, ladders, or hardware, and parts easily lock into each other without the need for tools. Enhanced safety features include support legs, extension beams, and integrated rubberized feet that add stability. Number 4. ALPINE Hardware Heat Pump Bracket. The ALPINE Hardware Premium Heat Pump Drill-less Window Air Conditioner and Heat Pump Bracket is a patented, steel construction AC bracket support with a drill-less design that can be adapted to any window style. It holds well over 200 pounds with simple installation from inside your window, eliminating the need for drilling into your windowsill. It also includes all necessary air conditioner mounting bracket hardware and works with all brand name air conditioners. Additionally, it provides sturdy and strong support that will prevent damage to your windowsill and wall by removing the pressure and weight of an air conditioning unit. Number 5. LuckIn AC Support Bracket. The LuckIn AC Support Bracket is designed for easy installation, allowing you to securely hold your air conditioning unit without drilling into your windowsill. It adjusts to fit a variety of window sizes, accommodating both single and double-hung windows. With a remarkable load capacity of up to 220 pounds, it safely supports air conditioners ranging from 5,000 to 24,000 BTUs. The upgraded support structure includes sturdy legs and a support rod, ensuring your unit remains stable both inside and outside your home, while the anti-slip rubber pads enhance security. So, which AC bracket are you getting? Let me know in the comments. And if this video saved you from a disaster, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your safety matters. See you in the next video, where we test something even crazier.